Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will show you the currency from Burundi. Burundi is the country from East Africa, and the currency is called franc. It is a beautiful 10 franc, which was the issue of 2007, which is mentioned here, 1/11/2007. It is the front side of this note. Front side represents the picture of coat of arms and the map of the country, which is mentioned here. And it is the back side of this note. Back side represent a beautiful logo with 10 franc and 10 franc. It is a beautiful 20 franc, which was the issue of 2007, which is mentioned here. It is the front side of this note. Front side represents the picture of a man with his traditional dress and dance. And it is the back side. Back side represents the picture of coat of arms. I have a 50 franc, which was the issue of also 2007, which is mentioned here. It is the front side. Front side represents a person on the boat. He's boating in the river, and also here is the coat of arms. And it is the back side of this note. Back side represents the picture of a hippo and some persons for fishing with their boat. I have a 100 franc note, which was the issue of 2011, which is mentioned here, 2011. It is the front side. It is the picture of Prince Rwangegare, and here is mentioned here 100 and 100. It is the back side of this note. Back side represents the picture of some construction of building in the country with a banana tree. Here is mentioned here the coat of arms. I have a 500 franc, which was the issue of 2018. It is the front side of this note. Front side represents the picture of a crocodile on the top, and then coat of arms. It is the coffee branch and the flag of the country. Also a fish and a head of a cow. It is the front side, and it is the back side of this note, which represents the map of the country and a river and boat. Finally, I have a 1000 franc, which was the issue of 2015. It is the front side of this note, which is represent a bird sitting on the tree and the coat of arms. On the bottom, it is represent a fish, and the cattle are represent on the right side of this note. And on bottom, it is the logo of flag, and it is clearly mentioned 1000 franc. And it is the back side. Back side represent with the country map, and it is the picture of some banana trees. And finally, I have those banknotes from Burundi.